Everyone, and today we will be doing a airplane flight with this airplane. Alright, so when making this plane, you don't want any flaps at all. And don't turn the ailerons or any of that. Okay? Now watch it fly. That was just test flight number 1. We have 4 more test flights to do. Ready, guys? Here goes again. Test flight number 2. Now, we're going to go inverted. There you go. That was test flight number 3, if you guys caught any of that. Here goes test flight number 4. You guys see that? Perfect, huh? Awesome. Right there. And here's our final test flight. Go! Okay, never mind. That was to make sure the plane was working. And here we go, guys. All the way over there. How you guys like that? And that was test flight number 5, and we'll be back in just a second. Alright, guys. Sorry about that, but here we are with our next 5 trials with the K2X. One. Alright, here we go. Test flight number 6. If you guys saw any of that, I know it was a little slow on that, but if you guys saw any of that, not a very good flight. Alright, here we go. Ooh, right into there, and I will be back in just a... Okay, guys, here we are. Sorry. Plane got trapped in a little area I couldn't really get to very easily. And a bed on, yeah. Alright, here it goes. Ooh. Caught any of that? Very bad. Alright. So that was test flight number 3. Here goes test flight number 4, guys. Woo! You guys probably didn't catch any of that since of the sun's rays over the horizon here. Even though it is getting pretty dark. It is 8:42 at night, guys. Alright. Here goes our last test flight. So here we go, guys. Oh! Caught any of that? I think I got it on film. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I got that one on film or not. But that was a pretty cool flight. So we're going to go inverted for our last try here. Oh! Ooh! Oh, there it is, if you can see it. Now, yes, right now it does look like it's almost 12 in the afternoon, but it's not. With the way my phone is. Here we go for another one. Oh! 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 That didn't end up as a good flight there. Let's try it again. And let's put the front wing flaps up just a tad. Not by much, guys. Just up by a tab there. And here we go. Oh! Oh yes! How do you like that, guys? Awesome flight? Not. I know. That was a very terrible flight. Here we go. How do you like that? Awesome flight.
Alright, so yeah, that's what
Give me just a minute and I'll be right back. Go. Haha. Didn't do that well, but it did it. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, my flash is on.
I noticed that. Alright,
Why is my flash on?
I really need
Oh, that was cool. Oh, nice. 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 Alright guys, and here is our last flight today. With this one. Different one than all the others, but here we go. Ready? There it is, and that is the last of all of our videos. Oh, whoa, there's another plane. Alright. Alright, bye guys. See y'all later.